Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Bissell JetScrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner. Alright, so today we happen to receive our Bissell Upright Cleaner. This helps keeping my carpets clean. Right here you do get a user manual. So this is the best upright cleaner from Bissell. It is the upright stain remover. You tackle the toughest pet stains and mess with this clean shot Pretreater. It removes embedded dirt into stains with a powerful suction and an extra large dirt lifter power brush that includes 10 rolls of bristles. It is super lightweight, less than 13 pounds, making it easy to use. It has an easy cleanup with a removable brush, all removable nozzles, and easy to empty dirty tank. This is a high performance engineering which includes an LED headlight and electronic fingertip control. It has a collapsible handle, making it easy to store and easy to carry up and down the stairs. So here is the handle right here, and then you've got the power cord. So this one right here has your buttons for the spot shot as well as cleaning and drying. And then you have the little trigger button. This is upside down. So the one right here that's shown on the top, which is actually the bottom, that is a spot treat. So if you have spots, you will click that button. You have the deep clean and there's a spot, and then here's your trigger button. And this right here will just, you'll wrap around the cord. So right here you do get a cup. So you can put your solutions in here. It tells you a measurement of how much you need for the areas that you need to clean. So that's a nice thing to have. So now removing this part, we'll get into more of the carpet cleaner. So you can blast away tough stains spots with the clear shot Pretreater. It is powerful cleaning, the extra large dirt lifter power brush with 10 rows of bristles. It dries in about 30 minutes in express cleaning mode. So right here is the power cord. You can wrap that around the handle. It is a standard 110. So you can see from the box it is not too big. It is really small. Pretty much smaller than a standard vacuum. So this is Bissell's best upright spot and stain cleaner. It is a high performance engineered LED lights, fingertip controls, collapsible handle, and an extra large brush roll. It is collapsible, so it makes more room. It doesn't take up too much room. It's easy to maneuver to lower floors, reaches far and under furnitures. It is super lightweight, is under 14 pounds, making it easy to grab and to go straight to the stain. Easy and clean dirty tank. So you've got one clean tank and you got one dirty tank, so you don't have to worry about them getting mixed up. It has a removable nozzle which comes off the floor for easy rinsing. It's got a removable brush roll, so that is pretty good. So when you have hair on that, it is easy to remove, to clean up. And then it's easy to store. Like I said, you can see how small it is. It is lightweight. It doesn't take much room. So you just put on the handle. You pop it in there, and then there's a button on the side that lifts that part up. Back here is one tank, so this is where you'll put your cord around that. So here is the tank, and then you have the other tank right here in the front. So we'll just go ahead and remove this one. This is for the clean. You'll tell you right here to which solution is the formula. You do water up to here, and then from there to there, you'll put your cleaning solution. So you'll fill up your cleaning solution. It does come with a couple solution bottles in here, which is a great thing. So you don't have to worry about going out and getting a bottle. It does come with this. So what we're going to do is going to put some water and some cleaning solution in this, and then we're going to start it up and start pre-treating it. So right here is the tank, which is the dirty water. This is where you will dump it out, clean it out, so the two does not get mixed up, so you don't get clean and dirty water together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some water in here, and then I'll be back, and then we'll put some solution in there, and then we'll start using it on my carpet. Alright, so now that we got some water in there in the solution, so right here you can see the spot treater. This little blue thing here at the front will actually treat these spots before, and then you got their bristles right here. So we're going to go and turn it on. So right here, this button will lift up the handle. Again, like I said, it was collapsible, so you can put it all the way up when you're using. You can drop it down when you're not using it, so it can save space. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pre-treat this area. My son had put some stuff on here, and I'm going to pre-treat it first, and then I'm going to turn it on so you guys can hear what it sounds like. It is not super loud, but it is not super quiet either. It's kind of like any other carpet cleaner, but it is lightweight. It is small. I like the versatility of this. It just maneuvers very well. So you can see that I'm pre-treating these first with the solution. I'm going to hit every one of these ones, and then once I get done pre-treating them, I'm going to go back over it with the carpet cleaner and go and clean that area. So right now I'm going to turn it on so you can actually hear how it sounds like. So you can see it's not super loud. It does the job. It's cleaning my carpets. It's sucking it up. And it was about 20-25 minutes that my carpet was completely dry. So if you're looking for a nice carpet cleaner that cleans up all the stains and it pre-treats the stains, I would highly recommend checking out this one, especially if you have pets. You got a lot of hair. This one does a great job of cleaning that up and removing all the stains. These lights are super bright, so it works really good in the dark. So if you're looking for a nice carpet cleaner, I would highly recommend checking out this Bissell JetScrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner.